I'm back with the grocery haul. It's finally time to restock the fridge. I haven't gone grocery shopping in about 3 weeks, so we have a lot to unpack here. So let's get started. I still have 2 more bags. Publix is not playing on the buy one, get one. I have enough chicken for the next 2 weeks. Lastly, a rotisserie chicken to make my favorite chicken salad. Now that we've unboxed everything, it's time to go to the fridge. I spent about $300 total. Groceries are so expensive these days, but hopefully we can get a lot of good meals out of these. We're cooking more in 2026. We are back at my lovely refrigerator and she's pretty empty, so it's time to fill her up. That was everything for the fridge. This is all dry food. I have some sweet potatoes, bananas, avocados, lemons, limes, bread, canned stuffed potatoes, all the good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and go put this in the cabinet and I will see you guys later. Bye.